So we are trekking in Erkard Forest, and yes, that's what you're seeing. I think we already crossed some 2 kilometers or something. I don't know, I'm not sure, but we're still moving on and on and on. And you're seeing brand new travel features in Just In. Don't. You should always be looking out for some insects, ants and everything while you pick in the forest.
Kaidi activist with us today. We'll be having an exclusive interview with Mr. Augustine. He's an actor. Recently I've seen him in a few movies, especially in Kaidi. We have MC Roshni with us and few boys from Uganda.
I think we are close to the waterfall now. I can hear some sounds.
So tell me, Roshni, how is it?
Yeah, it's actually amazing.
Okay, how to reach here?
We came by bike, and after that pretty much by walk only, which is trekking basically. All you have to do is need a
So
little bit
if
of
I come from Chennai or Bangalore, so how can I reach here?
If you have your own car or bike, then you can use Google Maps as usual. But if you're not, owning your own vehicles, then you can come by bus or train till Salem, and then you can hire a cab or get some help from locals and reach here. But
Wow,
yeah,
this is awesome.
yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, I think you.
It's a valley,
also
right?
Can be hearing the sound of waterfall here.
Yeah. So I'll introduce Mr. Joel. He's from Uganda. Tamil speaking Ugandan. Yeah. So Joel, tell me how to reach this place. Where is it? And like we are friends from Bangalore, Chennai. If they want to reach here, so how do you suggest it?
How do I suggest?
Yeah.
First of all, if they like it, they just have to come to Divitipatti.
So Divitipatti.
Divitipatti,
Okay.
then Danishpeta.
Danishpeta. Okay.
Deep inside Danishpeta, this place is called Adivaram.
Adivaram.
And I'm from Uganda.
So Tamil speaking Ugandan, huh?
I'm a Ugandan. I got settled here in Danishpeta.
Show me your face, huh? Yeah. So tell me, where is this African anaconda?
African anaconda is found everywhere.
Everywhere.
You just have to look down.
No, behind you is the African anaconda.
Anaconda.
Anaconda. See the stream down there.
Oh, it's so scary, man.
Everybody see now, then madam.
Wow.
ஒரு பயம் வர முடியாதுங்க.
Yeah, bro, but you are giving clues to forest department also.
Yes, yes. ஐயப்போ.
So look at this, yeah. So in Tamil we say karanam tappinal maranam.
ஆமா. that's நீங்க அவங்க ரெண்டு போயிட்டு வந்துருங்க. நம்ம ஈஸ்ட் வழியில போலாம்.
So
for you that's the way.
no, Mr. Joel is taking us to that falls stream. So Roshni, tell me, how is it so far?
It's been a difficult trek actually, but you should be a little bit prepared, as I said before.
So Mr. Augustine,
Yes.
how about your experience?
It's been good so far,
Okay.
and we're almost free.
Is it scarier than your Kaidi forest?
Not really. That was deep.
You can see our boys taking.
So
we find our
here
own
comes
ways
the
and
real part.
அப்படியே
பிரேக் பிடிக்காம போணும் இப்போ.
ஆமா
Oh.
பிரேக் பிடிச்சிங்கன்னா உள்ள
இப்படி
விழுந்துருவீங்க.
சைடா வாங்க don't go
Okay.
steep.
லைக் SCTC டிரைவர் மாதிரி வரணும் சைடா.
சைடுலயே போணும் தெரியுதா you all getting it
Look at the steep, guys. It's very steepy and
scary
scary too. Unfortunately, our carry is not with
we
us.
all have to go like this only
Yeah. Wow, look at the stone. It's rolling.
சைடுல வாங்க நீங்க you go front
No, how do I go, man?
they'll help you
No, how can I go?
go அந்த சைடு ஆப்ல போங்க இப்படி don't
Okay.
go like this
Watch your ways, guys.
இப்படி வாங்க
So we should go there. It's very scary, man. Oh, finally. So, here is my another friends, you know. So, Navin's brother, Joven is here, and Jesaya.
What's
Joel,
up?
Joel's brother. So, tell me, Jesaya. So, this is our final spot, right?
yes
So, tell me about this place. How to reach here.
You just gotta take a walk from there.
Okay.
You just gotta walk through the plants.
Now, if I come from Chennai or Bangalore,
You take a bus, they'll drop you in Divetipatti.
in Divetipatti, how far Divetipatti from Salem or Dharmapuri?
That's 30 kilometers
30
far
kilometers.
from the town.
Okay. So these are all untouched water, right?
Yeah, they are pretty pure. You can even taste them right now.
Really? Can you do that for us? Yeah.
You see how pure this water is?
Yes. I do.
Ain't no shit in it. No bacteria, no virus. You just have to drink it.
So are you scared of corona?
Hell no. Ain't no corona going to attack me.
So where is your Ugandan brother? Tamil speaking Ugandan
Oh,
brother.
right over there. Like a bear in the forest.
So guys, see. We came from that way, all the way there, and finally we reached here.
நம்ம இடத்துல பாரு மரம் இருக்குது